Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of MySQL on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here MySQL download. Hit enter. So simply go to the official site of mysql.com. Here you need to scroll down and we'll get this MySQL community GPL downloads. Just go there and you will get this MySQL installer for Windows. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that latest version of MySQL installer 8.2.46 is available to be downloaded and the file size is 565 MB. Click on this download button and click on no thanks, just start my download. So that's going to immediately start downloading your MySQL. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'd go to my download directory. Here is my MySQL installer. Just double click on it. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and you can minimize your download directory. It's going to again ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and there you go. Here we'll go with custom installation and click on next. Here into expand each of these available products and to select the very latest one and to put it under product to be installed. Similarly, and to also expand your application and to select your latest version of MySQL Workbench and to put it under product to be installed. Same way if you want to do for MySQL shell as well, so you can select it and you can put it under product to be installed, and after that click on next. Click on next again and it's ready to get download and install. Click on execute. Once downloaded, just simply click on next and click on execute. And it's going to immediately start installing our MySQL server, workbench and shell. So by the time it gets done, I'll recommend you to go and check out our geekyscript.com website. So here you can search for any tutorial you want. So let's say MySQL, and you can see all these tutorials are available like MySQL basics. So you'll be able to get this entire course for completely free. So you can go and check out our tutorial. If you want, you can also take a quiz as well. So you can select your option and you can perform your quiz, and you are going to also get detailed explanation as well. We also have interactive labs for all these different data structure you can see. So for example, if you want to get quick shot simulator, so you just go there and click on this play button and you can see it's rightly started executing this code, and will show you in this visualizer how it is actually getting sorted. So all these programming languages is available, JS, Python, Java, C++, all that you can see. So you can check those out. You can also increase the speed so that it gets sorted quickly, and you'll be able to actually see how it is actually getting done. Similarly, you can check all these different other data structure like circular linked list or circular queue or priority queue, binary tree, heap tree, hash table, all of that you can see. So don't forget to check our data structure interactive labs and other tutorials that I have also created. I'm definitely sure you are going to love them. So don't forget to check out our geekyscript.com website. All the links will be in the description. Here let's wait for a few more minutes. So welcome back. So our MySQL is now rightly installed. Just simply click on next. And it's ready to be configured. Click on next again. Here you need to keep everything as default and click on next. Click on next again. Here you need to set your MySQL root password. So I'll type one password and I'm going to repeat that same password. So here you need to type a password that you can remember. That's very important. You need to use this password to log in into your MySQL. So give a password that you can remember and click on next. Click on next again, next, and click on execute. So that's going to start applying all these configurations. Wait for some time and it is rightly done. Just simply click on finish. Click on next and click on finish. That's going to start launching your MySQL shell and MySQL Workbench as well. You can see MySQL shell rightly opened, and here is our MySQL Workbench. So welcome to MySQL Workbench. Scroll down. So here click on the instance and provide the password that you have given just now, root. Click on OK, and you are inside your MySQL Workbench. So that's how I install MySQL Workbench, and like I showed you, you can go and you can check out our MySQL basic tutorial and you'll be able to know how to create database, how to create table, how to insert, update, select query, sorting, and all the different SQL operations like aggregate function, group by having, primary key, foreign key, all of that again for completely free. And you can execute all of those queries on MySQL Workbench right over here. So that's basically all about this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script, that's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And do check out our website geekyscript.com. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.